In this video, we will cover some frequently asked questions about the Admin Center, such as, why do I need to know this? How do I access the Admin Center? And what actions can be taken from the Admin Center? The Admin Center is the location where Business Central system admins can go to make certain modifications to their Business Central tenant. As a reminder, a tenant is comprised of all environments for your organization, including production and sandbox environments. While you can rely on Cargus, your Business Central consulting provider, to maintain these settings for you, it is good to be able to navigate around on your own. To access the Admin Center while logged into Business Central, click the gear icon on the top toolbar and select Admin Center. It is important to note at this point that only Dynamics 365 admin or global admin users are able to access the Admin Center. You can also access the Admin Center if you have been granted the role of Help Desk Agent or Admin Agent. You can create new environments by clicking the New button on the Environments tab. You can only have one active production company, but you can create up to 3 sandbox environments as needed. You can also click into the environment and are presented with additional options. Select Apps from the top toolbar to get a summary of your installed add-ins for Business Central, as well as their version information and an option to update the latest version if required. This listing includes all app source downloads as well as add-ins that come standard with out-of-the-box Business Central. You can also manage sessions by using the next option on the toolbar. This is helpful for removing a user from the system when required. By using the support option, you can submit a support request through this portal directly to Microsoft in the case you are unable to connect to your environment. We are also able to submit support requests on your behalf. The Restore option allows you to restore from a previous autosave state. You should always talk to Cargus before restoring any databases. You can restore to a production or sandbox environment. Since you are limited to a single production environment, Microsoft gives you a 30-day grace period for having an additional production environment created as a result of a restore. Production restores can destroy APIs and other connections, so please call Cargus prior to attempting a restore. You can also delete environments. You should never delete a production environment as the data cannot be recovered. If you feel you need to delete an environment, please reach out to Cargus first. In addition to the above actions available on the Environments pane, you can also check on the environment details such as the current version and update settings. You can modify the update settings, including the scheduled date and time for updates to occur, under the Update Settings pane. Update windows must be at least 6 hours long and should typically be scheduled during planned off hours. Moving along the left-hand menu, let's take a look at the other relevant content panes. First up is Notification Recipients. This is where you will determine which users will receive environment update notifications. Cargus will receive these notifications on your behalf at first, but will transition this responsibility to you after Project Go Live. Telemetry is next. This can help if there is an error. You can note the object ID and communicate to Microsoft support. The Reported Outages pane will allow you to see VC network outages reported within a set time frame. Finally, under the Capacity pane, you can see how much of your storage is currently being used. You can also query database size sorted by table, presented in a storage per table value. As always, if you have any questions while navigating the Admin Center, please feel free to reach out to us at Cargus for assistance and we would be more than happy to help. Thank you.